Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce Biology. Today I am here with a very important question that will be asked in different examination to the students. So friends, the important question is that why is Krebs cycle amphibolic cycle? Why is Krebs cycle known as amphibolic cycle? This is the question. Then I'll going to explain the answer of this question. Okay. So at first, before giving answer, I like to remind you that Krebs cycle is a series of chemical reaction that takes place in matrix of mitochondria in eukaryotic cell. Okay, matrix of mitochondria in eukaryotic cell, remember the point, and in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell with the formation of high energy compound, that is 3 NADH, 1 FADH2 and 1 GTP from 1 acetyl coenzyme A. 1 acetyl coenzyme A. And this high energy compound NADH and FADH2 enters in electron transport chain so that it can provide high amount of ATP, and that ETC is found in inner membrane of mitochondria. Inner membrane of mitochondria in case of eukaryotic cell, and in the cell membrane of prokaryotic cell. In the cell membrane of prokaryotic cell. So this cycle is amphibolic in nature. Why? So the answer is okay. The answer is can be explained by this diagram. Okay, so in this Krebs cycle, acetyl coenzyme A is broken down. It is broken down with the release of NADH, FADH2 and GTP. Carbon dioxide will come out. Okay, so this is a process. So breaking down process. So acetyl coenzyme A is broken down here. So it has a catabolic role. Krebs cycle has catabolic role. And during this cycle, there is the formation of citrate, alpha ketoglutarate, succinyl coenzyme A, malate and oxaloacetate. So these are the compounds that are precursors, very important for formation of very important compounds that are necessary for our body. That means from citrate, fatty acid and steroids are made. From alpha ketoglutarate, by transamination, glutamate can be formed, and from glutamate, non-essential amino acids, purines can be formed. Similarly, from succinyl coenzyme A, porphyrins and heme can be formed, iron containing compounds. Okay, from malate, with the help of malic enzyme, we can make pyruvate. From oxaloacetate, aspartate is formed, and from aspartate, many non-essential amino acids, purines, pyrimidines are made, synthesized. Similarly, from oxaloacetate, by pyruvate carboxylase, pyruvate can be formed. It means TCA cycle, citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle gives us many precursors from which synthesis of various compounds are possible. So this Krebs cycle takes role in breaking down of acetyl coenzyme A, as well as it has a role in synthesis process of various compounds. Synthesis means anabolism. So Krebs cycle takes place as well as has a role. Okay, so Krebs cycle has a role in both catabolism as well as in anabolism. So Krebs cycle has both catabolic as well as anabolic role that can be seen through this so Krebs cycle has both anabolic as well as catabolic role. Because of this reason, Krebs cycle is known as amphibolic cycle. So Krebs cycle takes place in both catabolism and anabolism process. Because of this reason, Krebs cycle is known as amphibolic cycle. Thank you.